What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. The 6th of January, 2025. We're going to take a look at Moonwell / the United States dollar, and the data here is from Coinbase. So, a couple things to talk about here for Moonwell. I had a request. Can you add Moonwell into the trading signals? I have to look into that, and I will let you guys know if you're interested. Let me know down in the comments, and that is all taken care of over on Discord. Moonwell double bottomed here off the lows from the 21st, and then we actually rallied very, very nice. We didn't quite make it down to 04892. Market rallied up here to 65, 64, and then got some pushback. Very normal to see that. We saw pushback at this level December 22nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th. Sold off again, resistance there. A little inverse head and shoulders potentially forming here. It's not that perfect. We are looking for, ideally, we see a higher low get printed somewhere in here. Maybe the market pulls all the way back to the 54.59 level before printing that low and then rallies. It's possible if Bitcoin gets hit, I think it's very possible to trade all the way back down there. But if not, anywhere in here, we could see a higher low. And then what we want to see, guys, is we want to see a higher high. We want to see the market take out our highs here from the 4th of January. So right now we have a short-term downtrend, lower highs and lower lows. Again, another lower high here. Somewhere in here, what ideally you want to see a higher low, and then you want to see that change to a higher high. And that'll give us that change in trend back to the upside. Now, if Bitcoin's getting ready to make another run here, we did print a new higher high today in Bitcoin by 1 point. So we want to see a close above that high. Then we could be ready for a Moonwell, aerodrome, basically the entire market. If Bitcoin rallies strong, we're going to see the entire market move pretty soon there, along with it or soon thereafter. So that's what we want to see, guys. We want to see a higher high printed, and then we can start to keep an eye on these targets up here with the 72.4. Could be a area of market resistance, the 80.58 level. We had some previous market resistance here at the 0.897 level, and then a nice new high would be up here at 98.97. These are all very important levels that I'll be watching here. So we will see if these markets start to roll over. Let's not ignore this potentially large head and shoulders here. Okay, we have a neckline roughly right in here. Don't mind my my mouse drawing. So that is just something to keep an eye on. But we'll see. We'll see if Bitcoin can hold this rally, and then we should be in for some higher prices here for Moonwell. My personal highest target for Moonwell, which has not changed, guys, is 14,797. Now, that's not tied necessarily to 2025, but it's just a price target I have right now. And it's a moving target. So this target will change as the markets continue to trade. If these markets continue to trade higher here, my targets will continue to move up. If these markets don't trade higher and, chop around and stay sideways and basically go down for the rest of the year, that will be my highest target. But if the markets start to trade up towards that target, that will be a moving target. Do you put an exact top on a market and say, hey, this is the highest it can go, it can't go any higher? I don't believe that. Markets can really go way higher than we think. But for right now, it needs to prove itself before I can go give it a higher price target. You might not be too impressed by 14,797, but let's not ignore that that is 140% higher. So if this thing rocketed 140% today, most of you would be extremely happy. What else we can do here is we can throw the fibs up on here. We'll take that swing high So we'll take our swing high from the 29th of October, and we'll take our swing low from the 21st of November. And what this will do is give us some other price targets much higher than mine. So for starters, the 1618 gives us up there at a 19-cent Moonwell right here. Let's get the correct tool here. So again, mine's at 14.7, almost 15, and the 1618 for starters. Of course, we got to break the highs here, would be 19.2. And then we have the 2618 up there at 44. That's a big move. And then I think the 3618 gets you guys up there to $1. Yep, there it is, 3618, $1 Moonwell. Just because these prices are on the chart and they are legit pricing doesn't mean the market will ever trade that high. Let me show you an example. The fibs just keep on going, okay? So here is the 8. Here is the 8 fib. That's at $40. You know, we might never see a $40 Moonwell, but it is a real target. It is real numbers here. The 5 is at a $3.20. The 423 is at $172, and so on. But I just wanted to show you that you could put that on your chart as well. Take a major swing high or a major swing low and a major swing low. Connect those there using the fib tool, and it can give you some targets to shoot for. But the key is you got to obviously have to break out above the swing high that you're using for your target. Again, the highest I have right now, guys, until the price starts to prove itself, is 14.79, just about 15 cents. Let's head over to, let me know your thoughts on what your targets are on Moonwell. Bitcoin, BTC, USD, guys, we printed a higher high today by 1 point. 1 point. Our highs over here were 99887. Today's high, 99888. We have a higher high confirmation. My next resistance for Bitcoin is 106.49. Above that, 104.622. Above that, we need to take out the highs at 108. And once that happens, we could see a real big move to the upside, taking us up there towards 116,834. Guys, thanks for watching. Discord links are down below. Again, we'll see if I can add that in. I'll take a look at it. Of course, not financial advice, guys. Thanks for watching. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Have a great day.